am filming about 3 videos today, so you guys are gonna see me wearing this. Ooh, showed you guys my brow a little bit. See me using this, wearing this little sweater or long sleeve in all 3 intros. So today I will be reviewing the new L'Oreal new L'Oreal Brow Stylist Frame and Set. It is a pomade and it comes with this brush. It reminded me so much of the Anastasia pomade, which I purchased the brush on its own. This is $18, this is another $18. However, the L'Oreal one for the pomade and the brush is only $8.99. So I will let you guys know right now, I am wearing one of them on each brow. I have the L'Oreal on one brow and the Anastasia on another. They are almost identical in color, and you guys will find out what else I think about it if you guys watch the review / demo. In the Anastasia one, you get 4.0 grams or 14 ounces. In the L'Oreal one, you get 2.3 grams, so you get a lot less with the brush it came with. This is in the color Deep Brunette, and this is what it looks like. And then using the Anastasia with her brush, I'm going to show you that color. Ooh, pretty spot on. So this is the L'Oreal, and this is the Anastasia. Right off the bat, I did notice the Anastasia is a little more creamier. I gotta set something down really fast. But I am going to show you guys using the L'Oreal brush. So let's see how that goes. Now on the other eye, I'm going to be using the Anastasia one with her brush, but I'm not going to show that. I'm just going to do it off camera. Okay, I am like really surprised. I wanted to use the spoolie part to really diffuse like the front of my brows. This L'Oreal one did a great job. This $20 Anastasia one is very rough and it feels a little scratchy. This L'Oreal one feels soft and so easy to diffuse it. I was about to take the L'Oreal one to diffuse the Anastasia brow, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just use it, and it took me forever. But you guys, don't they look super similar? They look so much alike, and I felt like applying it, it was so similar. The L'Oreal one's a little bit harder than the Anastasia one, but barely. Like the Anastasia is a little bit more smoother, which can be a little harder to work with for your brows. So I'm really surprised with this L'Oreal product, and I highly recommend it. I'm actually telling my grandma because she loves brow pomades, and I was gonna recommend the Anastasia one, but this one's like almost the same thing, and you get a brush. And I believe it was $10.99. I'll link it down below. For me, I got the Anastasia brow pomade with her brush, and it was $40. So I hope this review helped. I highly recommend it. It's way cheaper than the Anastasia one. Give it a try if you're thinking about getting the Anastasia one, so you can save a whole lot of money.